everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 work truck. With just under 42,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 2.7 liter turbocharged engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Silverado well equipped with high intensity headlights and two front recovery hooks. And as we come around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a set of 18-inch high gloss black alloy wheels wrapped up in a like new set of Goodyear Wrangler tires, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with speckles of chrome. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Silverado. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these premium cloth seats. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see all the tires range from 12 to 13 30-seconds all the way around. And the brake pads are good to go, and everything else is green checked off by our technicians. And guys, we take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing here. Looking into the back, as you can see, crew cab, plenty of space here for your rear passengers. They will have nice features like a flow-through center console. They're going to have powered windows back here, and they even have an all-weather floor mat. Very easy for cleanup. Again, work truck here, guys. No frills and thrills. It is a truck, does what it needs to do, but you will have this nice hard tri-folding cover here made by Solid Fold. Nice bright tail lights here with your rear integrated step. You also have your towing equipment, including your 4 and 7 pin wiring and your hitch receiver. Up top, you will have your LED reverse light and your high definition rear camera. Nice tailgate assist here. As you can see, super clean back here, drop-in bed liner. You had some a tough material here on the back of the tailgate. And coming up the driver's side, you do have keyless entry. And you will get 2 keys for your added convenience here at All Things Automotive. Looking into the driver door, you will have some power options here like power door locks, power windows, and power mirror adjustments. To the left, you will have your trailer mode selector with your four-wheel drive selections, followed up with a general lamp selector with brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting, followed up with a cargo lamp and an electronic parking brake. Upon startup, you can see just under 42,000 miles. To the left, you will have your cruise control selections. And on your column shifter, you'll have your manual gear select. Bringing our attention to our entertainment system here, our infotainment system and display, you will have onboard Wi-Fi, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. So it does come with smartphone integration, which is a really nice feature. Let me go ahead and engage the rear camera here. I do have the tailgate down, so that is your view right now, but that is the traditional rear view camera. And you have your towing and guidance lines. Again, the tailgate is down. Simple radio controls followed up with your climate control. Down below, you will have auto start and stop, tailgate release, 4 ways, traction control on and off. This will supply power to all your 110 outlets. And additionally, you have a 12-volt outlet with USB and USB-C outlets. You will have that option for that middle rider here in the front. Nice bench seat with this fold-down console with cup holders, so really nice there. And up top, you will have your bright LED map lights with all your OnStar and SOS services. So at this point, let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection, this Silverado has received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. Now, if you're still watching, you might just be interested in this Silverado. So this is where we're gonna go over any dents, dings, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Silverado. Up front here, pretty clean. No issues here, no big stone chips or anything like that. Your headlights are nice and clean. Low mileage for a 2021. Okay, down below you will have some wear and tear here and some stone chips here on the bumper area and the lower bumper fascia. Coming around the wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on these nice high gloss black wheels. They check out pretty good. So your chrome badging is in great shape, no discoloration on your mirror caps. And then on your door handles, no fading, no discoloration, and your outer trim here on the door panels are really, really clean. Okay, looking inside, you will have some discoloration and some small scuffs here on the plastic door card here. The passenger side, as you can see, some discoloration. Other than that, pretty clean. All the way into your dash trim pieces, everything is clean. And then your cloth seats, I'm looking for discoloration or staining. Right here you'll have some, so a few spots here. Headliners nice and clean, and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive, no smoke odors or anything like that. Backing of the seats, slight discoloration. WeatherTech's up front and all weather floor mats in the back. Both WeatherTech, really nice. Some discoloration and staining here on the back seats here in the cloth. Your hard bed cover is like new. Really nice, no fading, no discoloration, no dents or dings in the vehicle body. Paint's in great shape. No curb rash on that nice high gloss black wheel. Your drop-in bed liner. Doesn't look like they use the bed a lot, but you are going to have some scuffs and scratches here on the drop-in bed liner, but that is what that is for. Oh, additionally, you will have a 120 outlet back here, so that's a nice option. Back of the tailgate, this trim piece on top here, you are going to have some scarring. Then here around your camera housing, some blemishes, but pretty good shape. All the way down to your rear bumper by your hitch receiver, you are going to have some paint chips there, but no dents or dings. Again, taillights are nice and clean, no dents or dings. Coming up the driver's side, no curb rash on that nice wheel. Then all the way down to your cab corners and rockers, super clean, following the body line. Guys, if you have any questions on this Silverado, give us a call at All Things Automotive, 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can hop online at allthingsautomotive.com. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process. It only takes 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask your sales consultants about extended coverage because this truck will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.